Hello there, my name is Caroline Garvan. I'm a veterinary inspector with the Department of Agriculture. I'm here to talk to you today about antimicrobial resistance, which is a key challenge for the agri-food sector. Just initially to explain when we talk about AMR or antimicrobial resistance, what we mean is antibiotic resistance. So essentially we mean that the antibiotics that we are used to using routinely are no longer effective to treat disease, both in humans and in animals. Antimicrobial resistance is first and foremost a human health issue. There's been estimations that by 2050 there will be more people dying as a result of antibiotic resistant disease than there will be from cancer. It is a huge public health issue, but because we use antibiotics so much in our animals to produce our food, we also have to look at the use of antibiotics in the animal health sector. Just to let you know how antibiotic resistance develops, initially bacteria have always had this resistance tendency, but now what is happening is because there is overuse of antibiotics, these bacteria are now becoming resistant, so the antibiotics are no longer working. So what can you do as users of antibiotics? Effectively, to stop the development and spread of AMR, the first thing is to improve animal health through disease prevention. So it is very important to remember that healthy animals do not need antibiotics. So whatever you can do to increase the health of your animals on your farm, whether it's reducing your stocking density, looking at your ventilation, all these key issues need to be looked at to have healthier animals on farm. The second thing we can do is increase our use of vaccinations, because vaccines prevent disease but also reduce our need for antibiotics. We also accept that there will be cases where we do have to use antibiotics, and where you have to use them, we would ask that you use them responsibly and that you follow these 6 rights. So when you need to use an antibiotic, that you only do it following a veterinary diagnosis, because only your vet knows whether it's a bacterial disease or not. We do not use antibiotics to treat viruses. The second thing is that you treat the right animal, so that you're sure you're treating the animal that has the bacterial disease with the right antibiotic, and crucially it must be given at the right dose for the right duration, and also that you dispose of the antibiotics correctly. It's right for your family, it's right for your animals that we all use antibiotics responsibly.